Hi! Today I want to show you the first impressions of our brand new catamaran called Mojo. We are here in Trogir in Dalmatia in Croatia. It's now pre-season and so it's a little bit quiet. All the people are busy with the preparations for the summer. Mojo is here in the old harbor and will be moved later to Split Old Town, which is also pretty like here. Mojo is a 42 catamaran called Astrea 42, the model name, and it's from the French builder Fountaine Pajot. Fountaine Pajot is very famous for the good sailing performance and on the other hand the spacious room to live on board. It's very wide, 7.5 meters wide, and quite 12.5 meters long. But let's move back and I will show you the boat from inside. If you come on board, the first impression is this really huge and spacious cockpit. As you can see here, it's well protected with the rooftop, and here you can see also our stable poles we did on the back side, that the roof is stable, that you can walk on the roof if you handle the mainsail. And here you can see our Hyperlone SAR mini tender with aluminium. It's a rib with 6 horsepower Yamaha engine. You can also choose a 20 horsepower engine, then it's able to pull some toys for kids and have some fun in the water. So, but let's move forward. Here you can go with 2 steps on, and this is this nice sitting area, a chill area, where you can enjoy your drinks and sit there and while watching as your barbecue is running. So then there's a nice sitting area on 3 sides with much space for your stuff inside. This big teak table, and on the other side we have this little outdoor cockpit fridge with a part of freezing also inside. Here's is the life raft for security reasons, and then we can step up to our helm station. This helm station is very spacious and it's split in 2 parts. Here you can have a wonderful 360-degree view about the sea, and you can maneuver here very well. Here and a few steps up, it's possible to get to the roof and the lounge area on the roof. So this area is also protected with a special mounted hardtop, and on the window you can watch your mast and your sails while you're on the way. It's a little bit cloudy day today, but you can still imagine that it's very very fine to sail and are well protected for rain or for sunshine. So here we have all the lines and the stuff, but I will explain it on a later video. So we go forward to the forward area lounge. While on the way or on anchor, it's a very nice place to sit here and enjoy. Maybe some dolphins are coming and you can watch them from this front cockpit. This cushions is you can lay down, flatten and make a sunbed also, or you can use it as a sitting area. It's much space, I think maybe for 6 or 8 people there. But now let's move on the roof. We have here our customized special ladder to come easier on the roof and to the sails. And here you can also come to the sunbed on the roof. And we have really big solar panels, around 1 kilowatt of maximum. It's enough to have power enough for all the fridges and stuff you need. So, and here are also these 3 steps down to the helm station. Let's go there. And now I will show you our beautiful saloon. When you walk in, you will be impressed by the incredible 360-degree view. Look at these big windows, and you have all the surroundings with you. You can look what is happening outside. It's a very beautiful view here. But look, on the left side we have the galley. It's in a U-shaped form, very big and spacious. You have plenty room for storage. Here's the garbage, 2 hoses for water pump, for seawater and fresh water. And here's the big oven, gas with gas, and also with hot air ventilation. Pizzas are also good at here, like at home. And here we have the 3-burner gas burner, our beautiful Nespresso machine with capsules. And here's our ice maker, or ice cube maker. And let's look at the opposite. Here we have the big refrigerator with 2 drawers and a microwave oven. And here's the control panel for the air condition and the heating inside. And on the other side is the big seating area, a lounge area. Or this table, it's possible to lower and make a double bed. Also, you can extend the table with 2 wooden plates. They are also on board. If it's raining, maybe it's also possible to sit in here. And directly here we have this big TV. The TV is connected also to the navigation system, so you can view the navigation for the passengers here, or look TV. And on the other side, this is the navigation place with the high definition plotter, with the VHF, with the fusion radio, the tree data, and all the equipment you need for navigate. Let's walk downstairs to our cabins. Let's walk back to one of our aft cabins. We have 2 cabins each in the house, mirrored on the other side also, so we have 4 cabins. The first impression if you come in one of the cabins is the brightness and the light comes in from these big windows. Look at this. This is the view directly from the cabin. We have this big window on the side and one on the back side, and also 2 hatches for ventilation. We have directly on the lights here sockets for USB for mobile devices, and in addition in each cabin also a socket for 230 volts AC and USB. And in each cabin you have a private bathroom. The access comes directly from the room, and let's look inside the bathroom. The bathrooms are quite big for this size of boat. The rear cabins has also a separate shower, which you can see here. And now let's take a look inside a front cabin. The front cabins has quite the same size like the aft cabins, And this is so impressive for a catamaran in this size. You must imagine it's a 42 catamaran. The beds are the same and are accessible from the sides in the front cabins. This is impressive. And also so bright like all the cabins. This comes from these big windows, and look outside. Just imagine you wake up in the morning and look at this blue sea outside. Here's the hatch also for ventilation, a second one on the roof. And also in these cabins we have the private bathroom accessible from the room. The front bathrooms are a little bit smaller than the back ones, but also big enough to take a nice shower there with hot water, and so you can start your day. We are here now in one of the bow cabins. It's called also a skipper cabin for one person. It's not that big like the other cabins, but it's big enough. You have for ventilation here a window. To go out you have a light and a plug for USB connection. And look at this. If you can look out of the window, then you can see outside. Oh, and here's our Rockna anchor. Our Rockna anchor is 35 kilograms with a 70-meter stainless steel Gromox chain. This is the best chain you can have. It's a little bit oversized for the size, but it's very nice. And next time I will show you more. I say thank you for watching. I hope you had good first impressions of the boat. Now the boat will be finished and for the preparations, because some things are still in preparation now and in working process. So the whole boat will be cleaned up and finished for season, and I say thank you.